Hello everyone, I'm Divanshu Yadav and now I will be starting with my lab 2 experiment A. In this we have to use Java RMI exploit. For this, this would be my victim machine, which is my metasploitable 2, and this would be my attacker machine. So firstly, we will just get the IP address of this. As you can see, its IP address is visible as 192.168.64.2. Now I will just quickly do a nmap to see visible ports. So here the port number 1099 is running the service for Java RMI. So we will exploit that. For that we will just use the given module in the lab assignment. After I will just say show options. So as you can see, my host is set already set, as I have already done it previous time. Otherwise I can just set the host using this command. It's running and now I will just exploit it. As you can see, the metadata session is open and I will just do ls and it will show me all the directories which are here. I can do just the ls and see that all these are same. I can also create any lab 2 attack, and I can see here as lab 2 attack is created. If I try to remove the lab 2, I can't remove it. Now I will try to remove it from here, from my attacker machine, but as you can see it gives me the operation failed. It proves that I don't currently have the sudo access. In the experiment B, I will use the Samba exploit and it will give me the sudo rights of the victim machine also. So that will be covered in the experiment B. So coming on my understanding of how this attack works, this attack exploit how Java handles objects sent over a network. So the Java RMI, remote method invocation, allows a program to call methods on an object located in another virtual machine. So when target server receives our data, it deserializes it. Deserializes meaning convert the stream back into the Java object to understand the instruction. And the RMI registry don't properly validate the classes it's reconstructing. So in our exploit, the metasploit sends a specially crafted malicious serialized object. When the server tries to process this object, it executes a command embedded within the object, like opening a reverse shell. Hello everyone, I'm Divanshu and now I will start with the part 2. In this, we have to perform an exploit of our own. So I will be using Samba exploit, which will give me access to the remote machine. This is my remote machine, metasploitable 2, and this will be my attacker machine. So first I will check the services on my first I need to check the services on my victim machine. For that I will need the IP. So for IP I will just do IP config, and as you can see my IP is 192.168.64.2. so I will go here and start the nmap.
So I get the results, and for our exploit I will be using these services: NetBIOS SSN, Samba SMBD. So for that I will just do
There, this is the command. Search name will be Samba, type is the exploit. We have to set it exploit or either payload, whatever it is, and platform is Unix, so that because my machine is Unix based victim machine. Press enter. Yes, I get this, so I will just copy paste and use this. Now I will show you the options. So as I have already performed, I have already set my attacker machine to read, but for
to set that I will have just to use the set rhost equal to this one, and now I have to just go and exploit. Yes, so my session is opened. As I can see, ls I can just go and
as you can see the IP addresses of my victim machine 192.168.4. I can also create some directories, some lab to cyber sec. As you can see, I've created a directory using this, and just to do ls. There is the lab to cybersec file. Also, if I try to remove it from this RM, it says that you cannot remove, permission denied. But on from my remote machine, I can just remove that from my attacker machine. Sorry.
Coming on how this attack is working, Samba is used for file sharing between Unix and Windows system, and in this the username field in certain older version of Samba was passed directly to a shell script without being sanitized. So here we do the trick. The attacker can provide username containing shell meta characters like backticks and semicolon and run a specific command. And because Samba services SMBD are run with root privileges, so our command will also get executed as root. Thank you.